Thought he was kung fu fighting. I don't know the rest of it. Do you? Yeah. Out on another bike ride, aren't we? Are you up there?
Yeah. I'm inside.
I will. I will check it out. This is pretty cool. No, short for Papa's head. And we got an upstairs. You disappear? Oh, there you are, hiding on Papa.
There's a spider right there.
A spider, that's too short in here for me. Oh, I bumped my head. And I'm a short guy. You gonna go down the side?
Stand up straight up. You can stand up straight here.
I can stand up straight in here, yeah.
Try to go down the slide with me.
Should we go down?
Yeah.
Go down together? You're gonna go down first. You're gonna go down together? Oh! I'm gonna get stuck.
Go, Papa.
I don't think I should do it again. You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
There we go. Here we go. Yay! What flavor you got?
Sorry.
Cherry.